Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic we are going to discuss today it is alkynes. As we have already learned about the three classes of hydrocarbons. These are basically compounds that contain both carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. And hydrocarbons have been divided into mainly three classes. The first one class is alkanes. The second one class is alkenes, and the third one class we have it is alkynes. So here we will discuss about the alkynes. So just the review from the previous one, the alkanes, they have single bond between two carbon atoms. Alkenes contain double bond between two carbon atoms, and the alkynes contain triple bond between two carbon atoms. So here we have alkynes. You can see that we have two carbon atoms and they have triple bond between them, and the one hydrogen is attached to the carbon number 1 and the second carbon is attached to the carbon number second. So this is the first member of the family of the alkynes. This is also known as the acetylenes. So the alkynes are also known as acetylenes because their first member is named as acetylene. Some IUPAC names of the alkynes, for example, the first one it is having two carbon atoms, so eth, and we will add the ethyne, so its name will be ethyne. Next we have three carbon atoms, 1, 2, and 3. So the parent name will be pro, and triple bond is present, so that's why it is no propyne. And if there are four carbon atoms, then its name will be as butene. So we have to just name the double bond which is present on the carbon number 1. So its name will be but 1 gyne. That is just showing the position of the triple bond in it. Next we have the general formula for the alkynes. Alkynes have their formula CnH2n minus 2 where N denotes the number of carbon atoms and we just need to put the number of carbon atoms and we will be able to find its molecular formula, and then from molecular formula we will be able to find its structure formula, electron dot cross structure formula easily. So if we have carbon number or the N is equal to 2, then by putting up the values we will get C2H2 into 2 minus 2, then we just get C2 and H2. So this is the formula for the first member of the alkynes, and N starts from 2 to so on. That increases the chain length of the carbon atom. As the N number increases, the length of the carbon chain also increases in the same manner. Another example, if you put N is equal to 5, then C5H2 into 5 minus 2, we just gain carbon 5, hydrogen 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 2 will get 8. So the molecular formula for the fourth member of the alkynes will be C5H8. If I just draw its structure formula, then first of all we have to draw first carbon atoms. Carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we just make triple bond between two carbon atoms, and after that we have to just complete their hydrogens. So we'll have three hydrogens, have two hydrogens, again two hydrogen, 3, 5, 7. And this carbon will have one hydrogen as it is already having four bond 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it didn't have any carbon atom. So this is the structure formula for the alkynes, which is having 5 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms, and 2 carbon atoms have triple bond between them. Then we have some alkynes with their formulas. So the first one member is named as acetylene. This is its common name, and ethyne, it is its IUPAC name. The word gyne just denote that these are basically alkynes. Its molecular formula we have C2H2. Its condensed formula we have the carbon-carbon is having triple bond and two hydrogens are attached along with. This is its structure formula, and at the end we have its cross and dot formula. The second one we have methyl acetylene, in which this is the methyl group and this is the acetylene group. So making it acetylene, which is its common name, and IUPAC name we have propine because it contains three number of carbon atoms, so named as propine. Its structure formula like this. First of all, we have to draw three carbon atoms, then we just complete up its hydrogen, and this is its electron dot and cross structure which just shows the number of electrons that have been shared to make the bond. So how many electrons have been participated in the bonding? We can show it by the use of electron dot and cross structure formula. Third one, we have dimethylacetylene, in which the two methyl groups are attached on the sides, named as dimethyl, and this is the two carbon atoms having triple bond named as acetylene. And IUPAC name we have butane. Its molecular formula we have C4H6, and its structure formula is two carbon atoms have triple bond and the two methyl groups are attached with this. This is its electron dot and cross structure formula. So this was a simple overview about the alkynes, that how this class has been divided. After that we have the next topic we will discuss. It is the preparation of the alkynes. I hope you guys understand. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And next we will discuss about its preparation in detail. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.